Hello and welcome to my first video. This is what we'll do today. I love this shirt, but as you can see, it has big stains in the front. So I found this shirt at my local recycling center's free section. They give away the stuff nobody buys. I've actually found some of my favorite items there. This shirt spoke to me because I love the color and the material. It's a linen-cotton blend, two of my favorites. I always start a project like this by ironing, so I can better see the potential of it. Here you can see what it looks like. It's actually not so flattering on me. So it's kind of lucky that it had those stains. Otherwise, I don't know if I'd had the idea to make it shorter. Before cutting anything, you have to model it on yourself, as well as you can. So you'll get an idea how it will look. Use pins to mark a spot where you want the hem to be. In this case, the stain went a bit higher, so I should have moved the pins to where the stain begins. Next, I'm measuring 3 centimeters below that spot. That's the part that will fold to the backside as we sew the hem. Now it's time to cut it. I like to do it the easy way and just fold the hem according to the marks we just made. To make sure it's straight, I measure the sides and make adjustments. You can use pins or draw a line if it's easier for you. Before we can sew the hem, we need to get rid of this button. Here we have a perfectly fine piece of fabric in the back. Later in the video, I will show you what I did with it. Now we just need to sew the hem. If you like this video or don't like it, leave a comment and let me know why. My channel is about sustainable clothing and accessories, finding creative solutions not only to reduce, but to minimize the amount of fabric waste, and saving money while saving the planet. Last thing left to do is press the hem, and I ended up pressing the whole thing once more to make it look as good as it can. Here's what I did with the leftover piece of fabric. A scrunchie. Thank you, and see you later.